In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail notifications not working on Android. If you're missing important emails because your phone just stays silent. This walkthrough will help you get those alerts working again. Let's start with the basics. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. Once you're in, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. That's the menu button. Tap it to open the side panel, then scroll down and select Settings. Inside Settings, you'll see a list of your email accounts. Tap the account where you're not receiving notifications. Each account has its own notification settings, so you'll want to check the one that's giving you trouble. Now, inside that account's settings, find the option labeled Notifications. Tap on it and make sure it's set to All. If it's set to None or High Priority Only, you might be missing some alerts. Choosing All ensures you'll get a notification for every new email that lands in your inbox. Next, look for an option called Inbox Notifications. Make sure the box next to it is checked or the switch is turned on. This setting specifically controls whether Gmail is allowed to show notifications for new messages in that inbox. Right under that, you should see something like Notify for every message. Enable this as well. This is especially important if you use filters, labels, or categories in Gmail, because it tells the app to notify you for each new email, not just for certain types. While you're still in the same section, tap on Sound or Notification Sound. Choose a tone that's loud and distinct enough for you to notice. If the sound is set to silent or a very soft tone, it might seem like notifications aren't working when they actually are. Once you've adjusted all of these options, back out to the main Gmail screen. It's a good idea to send yourself a test email from another account or ask someone to email you. Wait a moment and see if your phone now shows a new mail alert at the top of the screen and plays the sound you selected. If the test email appears with a notification, you're all set. Your Gmail notifications should now be working properly on your Android device, and you won't miss important messages anymore.